What's up, awesome friends? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Hindi tayo magre-review ng motor ngayon or ng sasakyan. Hindi rin ito live vlog. Pero I'm gonna introduce to you the newest addition on Mr. Brightside's Armory. We have our Kia Seltos as Percy, short for Perseverance. Our RFI 175 Pace, short for Patience. And this is Tessa, derived from Thessalonians 518. The Rogue Flow Z13. And of course, this is Evoque, our Insta360 X2. At ngayon naman, i-unbox at iti-test flight natin si Velar, our DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let's go! First of all, thank you so much sa napaka-courteous, responsive at patient na staff and management ng Photoline SM Urdaneta City Branch. At that time na naghahanap ako ng Mini 3 Pro sa Ilocos Sur at Norte, La Union at Baguio, sila lang ang may available. So talagang dinayo ko pa sila sa Pangasinan. Aside sa discount na binigay, meron pang free na 64GB micro SD card. Thank you so much! Though I would recommend ang gamitin ay yung may read and write speed of 140 Mbps and above na micro SD card. I opted to also get the Flymore Kit Plus and it turned out to be a very good decision dahil kakailanganin talaga lahat yan, especially the extra batteries and the charging hub. Let's unbox this. So here's the Mini 3 Pro, and out of the box, ang unang-unang napansin ko is the weight. I didn't expect it to be this light on hand. This is my first drone, and why did I choose the Mini 3 Pro? Simple. It's a no-brainer that this is the best beginner drone that has pro capabilities. And here are 5 reasons in no particular order. Number 1. Very portable. Because of its size and weight, it's very handy and easy to carry. Very on the go. Hindi hassle ang packet dalhin at space saver din. Number 2. Safety features. It has 3-directional anti-collision sensors which makes it safer and easier to fly and operate for newbies like me. Number 3. It has better camera than most small or beginner drones. For example, it has 48 megapixel camera and can shoot 4K at 60 FPS videos compared to the Mini 3 that has 12 megapixel camera and shoots only 4K at 30 FPS. Number 4, intelligent flight modes, highlighting the active track. Ito yung pro features na napaka-helpful for creating smooth and high-quality shots na hindi madaling i-achieve manually, na wala sa ibang beginner drones. Number 5, price point. Hindi ito cheap, pero masasabi ko na worth every cent na ibabayad mo, lalo na if you're thinking long-term when you finally learn how to fly and shoot properly at kakailanganin mo ng mag-upgrade. With the safety features and the intelligent flight modes of this drone, hindi mo na kailangang mag-upgrade in the foreseeable future because it already has the pro features that you will be needing. Masusulit talaga ito ng mga beginners like me up until we transition into experienced pilots and creators. If you're a content creator, this is the best drone for you. As I mentioned a while ago, very helpful yung Flymore Kit Plus. So if you can, you should also get it. The 2 extra batteries can give you extra time learning to fly and shoot with the drone, and will also save you extra time in recharging them. This hub also serves as a power bank with the batteries on for the RC and other gadgets. Madali lang naman i-set up at i-activate yung Mini 3 Pro with its dedicated RC. Very convenient gamitin dahil hindi na kailangan i-connect sa phone. Maganda, malinaw at bright yung screen niya and kita pa rin under broad daylight. So let's move on to the exciting part. Test mic. I hope you can hear me clearly. So, it's Holy Saturday. Ngayon natin i-test flight tong DJI Mini 3 Pro. Awesome friends, and it's early morning. It's 8 a.m. So, test natin to. Hopefully, maganda yung kalabasan. The sun is out. Hindi naman masyadong mahangin. Sana hindi lumakas yung hangin. Maganda rin kasi dito. We're in Narvacan Port True Winds. Tapos paliparin lang natin dito sa dagat. Tsaka sa magandang scenery dyan. Yan. Home point has been updated. 15 satellites, 18. First flight, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Let's go! Actually, hindi ito yung first flight ko, kundi pangatlo. First, yung flight tutorials feature sa remote controller. Second, inulit ko yun and tried the 120 meter altitude and 2 kilometer distance. Ito yung third time naman, ang first full flight ko na mag-take ng footages and try simple maneuvers. And at this moment, sobrang kinakabahan ako dahil open sea at may parts na mapuno yung flight plan ko. And I honestly don't know what to expect. Pero I just trusted my instincts with DJI's tech, and here we go. nakakalad siya. Aside from content creation, my main purpose of getting this drone ay dahil nasa real estate industry kami ng wife ko, and it will help us a lot in our presentations and site inspections. The other reason? For the love of capturing beautiful sceneries and memories on a bird's eye point of view. In this part, I used the return to home option pero hindi kasi eksakto sa landing area nung pababa na yung drone. Nasa part na may tubig pa at mabato, kaya I had to land it manually. Safe landing. First flight successful. Diba, pare? I'll be back later, edit muna.